In this video, we will cover various tray accessories to help you customize your shaking experience. Safety first. Power down and unplug your shaker before installing accessories. Want to customize your shaking experience? The adjustable platform is made of stainless steel with non-slip rubber. It accommodates various vessel types. Just add glassware and adjust the padded rollers for a perfect fit. Align the platform's holes with the tray's holes and screw them together. Place your glassware on the platform. Loosen the thumb screws, slide the rollers to the desired position, and retighten the screws.